Yo, what's up, traders? It's November 27th, 2020, Friday, Black Friday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, and this is, if you noticed how slow the markets were today, I was doing some research, and this is historically the most illiquid trading day of the year. So that's why it was just super small moves, very low amount of liquidity in the markets, and why it seemed pretty dead out there. So that being said, I think we do have some interesting setups for next week I'm about to go over. We have our Black Friday sale going on right now, which is everything from the Academy to our Market Maker Pro institutional trading, how to use institutional trading mixed with your price action and an outline about how to get funded and become full-time traders. So it's an awesome offer. So click the link below to check it out. This is good through Sunday, so don't miss it for sure. This is going to be life-changing stuff for you. So be sure to get on that. You know, don't let it pass you by, because the price is going to go up on, and it's worth way more than it is now. That's for sure. So, but looking across the board at the different pairs that we have going on here. And I noticed something pretty interesting about yen pairs. And this might be something I'll be watching next week. Definitely a lot of kind of this inverted head and shoulder pattern, really. I don't know how else to say it. You can see on Swiss yen, we got in a good buy early in the week, I guess the last week, down here, and we've rallied back up to this 78.6 level. This is a big level in the market, something I've really been keying in on lately, and specifically too, and as we approach the market from an institutional point of view. So this isn't quite as pronounced of an inverted head and shoulders. In fact, you know, it's really not, but you can still have this drooping formation here. So Swiss and yen both being risk on, safe haven assets, you know, it's going to have a different formation than NJ or AJ, which we'll check out. But you can see this is still a super significant zone here. So we can go across, see where we're at. And, you know, if you're looking for areas that are significant, you always want to look for areas that were support, now resistance, and this is just a big zone right here. So this is playing out really nicely, and we're running into some resistance here. Shooting star, this could potentially be a really good setup. Although with Swiss yen, I wouldn't be surprised to see it to run up to this 115.50 level. So, but let's take a look at NJ. NJ looking strong here, as are all NZD pairs, just on a crazy rally. But we're running into some big resistance here finally, and touch here. You can see where we're at in terms of NJ. Very divergent RSI, and this could be setting up for really nice short early in the week next week. Really topping out here. Actually, this is on my hit list for next week for sure. Really classic 3-drive setup here. 1 push, 2, 3, moving higher. And so I'm going to be watching NJ like a hawk next week. So, but let's take a look at AJ, and this is where you'll start to see the interesting correlations too. Really pronounced kind of inverted head and shoulder pattern going on here. And here we are at this 78.6 and 86.3 fib levels, which is coming from this this last market imbalance here. Huge push, huge buy to sell move. So you can see this is a good institutional level here, buy to sell, and then huge sell off, which continued after we took out this imbalance right here in the market. So we've broken above there, and you can see now, look at this blue line, how significant this area is. Break up and then retest, break down, retest, and now we're back above it. So this trend line going across, on the other hand, comes from this high, falls what appears to be a false breakout and then break down. And now we're respecting the backside of this trend line. So definitely watching this for a move. Going to be watching for this early in the week, NJ early in the week. I think next week and going in, we still got the election going on, folks. You know, it's still hasn't been certified by the Electoral College, and I think today, what's going on in Pennsylvania got pushed to the federal Supreme Court level. So things are starting to spice up, which could mean some serious risk off going into next week. So have an awesome weekend, everybody. Stay tuned for more info as we go into next week in terms of the election and how that's affecting the market. Don't forget to take advantage of this Black Friday offer that includes my Academy, Market Maker Pro, as well as the Accelerator program, which is my mentoring program. So have an awesome weekend, everybody. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in our groups. Peace.